What is out there, boys? Who is it? Who is it? Look at that door. What's out there, boys? Blue and Festus standing watch. Your dad's not barking. What is it? What is it, boys? Let me see. Oh, it's your mom. You want her to see you? Call her again. Hi, Pete. They found somebody out in the yard. What is it, Festus? What is it? Hey. Hello, I'm talking to you. What is it? Oh, Blue's blowing. He's blowing on her. Blue, what is it? He's blowing like a deer. What is it? Oh, he's drooling. What is it, boy? Get it. Get it. What do you say? Yep, that's your mom.